The Moonlight Whisper. In a small village nestled between the mountains, there lived a little girl named Lily who loved the night sky. Every evening, she would sit by her window, watching the moonlight dance on the leaves and wondering what secrets the stars held. One night, as Lily gazed at the glowing moon, she heard a soft voice. Lily, it whispered, "Come closer." Startled but curious, Lily leaned out her window. To her amazement, a tiny silver fox with fur that shimmered like the moon appeared on her windowsill. "I am Luna, the Moonlight Fox," the creature said. "The moon has chosen you for a very special mission. The stars are losing their glow because the moon's heart is missing. Without it, the night sky will turn down forever," Luna explained. "I will help," Lila said without hesitation. Luna leaped gratefully to the ground, and Lily followed. "We must find the moon's heart before dawn," Luna said. "Follow me." As they walked through the forest, the trees seemed to hum softly. Their branches parted to reveal a hidden path, glittering with stardust. "Where are we going?" Lily asked. "To the Valley of Echoes," Luna replied. "That is where Moon's heart was last seen." The valley was breathtaking, glowing flowers bloomed along the riverbank, and the water sparkled like liquid diamonds. But the beauty was overshadowed by a deep, echoing sadness. A group of fireflies, however, nearby, their light dim. "Where are you so sad?" Lily asked. "The moon's heart was stolen by the shadow bird." One of the flies buzzed. It flew toward the crystal cavern. "Don't worry," Lily said. "We will get it back." Luna and Lily climbed the rocky trail to the cavern. Inside, the walls sparkled with crystals of every color. At the center of the cavern sat the shadow bird, its feathers dark and gleaming, guarding a glowing orb, the moon's heart. "You cannot take it," the shadow bird caved. Lily stepped forward bravely. "The moon needs its heart to light the night sky. Please let us return it." The shadow bird hesitated. "The moon forgot about the shadows," it said. "We long to be seen too." Lily smiled gently. "We can share the light. Shadows are what make the moonlight magical." The shadow bird's eyes softened. It handed the glowing orb to Lily. "Thank you for understanding," it said. With the moon's heart in hand, Lily and Luna raced back to the hilltop. Luna howled softly, and the orb floated into the sky, merging with the moon. The stars began to twinkle brighter than ever, and the shadows of the trees danced happily in the light. "The night sky will never forget you, Lily," Luna said. "Thank you for your courage." and kindness. As Luna disappeared into the moonlight, Lily climbed back into her bed, feeling warm and peaceful. "Good night, Luna," she whispered, gazing at the glowing moon. And as she drifted off to sleep, the stars whispered, "Thank you, Lily." The end.